In this video, we will show you how to replace your side mirror glass on this Chevy Tahoe. You'll have this on each side mirror. Let's get into it. Okay friends, let's get started on our job. The first thing that we're going to do is apply some tape to the mirror, because when you try to remove this, it is possible for it to break. Now at this point, we'll continue on with a small trim tool and start pulling the mirror glass away from the mirror. Now let's continue on to removing our wiring. Grab onto this, give it a little tug. Every time you disconnect an electrical connector, take a peek. If you see any funny colors, that would be corrosion and it would need to be dealt with. We'll set these wires aside as we go. Now we'll continue on with a small pocket screwdriver to separate the rest of this. You can get along each side and gently pull it out. There it is, friends. All right, let's get ready to install our brand new mirror. Now we can start connecting in our wiring. On the connector, you'll find that you have a small tab that protrudes inward a little bit. And on the original wiring, you have an area for that to slide into. We'll align this and latch it in. Give that a tug to make sure it's secure. Now we can start reconnecting our other wires. Just take hold of that and we'll press it right on there. Make sure it's secure. Do the same to the other one. Try not to break your mirror glass when you do so. Once you have both of those secure, we're going to go ahead and press on the center of this and listen for several clicks. Double check to make sure it's secure. Clean up your mess. There we are. Now you just want to put it in the outboard position, put the key in the on position, and test its functionality. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.